Hello and welcome to the episode. Today I'm going to show you how to get your motorcycle ready for winter riding. I'm going to be using my 2022 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 as an example. In this video I will be covering front brake pad maintenance, as well as rear pad maintenance, covering the bike with long-lasting anti-corrosion sprays that will keep your bike resilient to harsh weather conditions and road salt. The first thing you want to do is clean your motorcycle. Start by applying muck-off cleaner. Use a gentle mist and rinse the bike. Cleanse with bike shampoo. Rinse again, dry it off with a waffle cloth. Tilt the bike so the excess water can run out. Using speed polish, cover the painted and plastic parts. Remove the rear seat and dry it underneath. Once fully dry, we are going to start with the front brakes. Remove the retaining clip. Only perform this if you are confident to do so. Having said that, it's very easy to do. You can strip these further, but I'll save that for another video, as the wheel needs to be removed. Using a small punch, drive the sliding pin out. Hold the left pad and slide the pin halfway. Grab the pad and slide the pin all the way out, grabbing the other pad as it falls. These are not greased from factory, so this job is very important to do. Use brake cleaner and clean the calipers. Do this in a well ventilated area and wear eye protection. Check the caliper is free moving. Clean all the pads and sliding pin. Apply copper grease. I've always used this and I find it works better than Ceratec. Apply to the matting surfaces only. Avoid the braking compound. Apply a little dab to the top edge of the pad. My brakes have been squeaking and this will help prevent that. Slide the right pad in and push the pin through the right side. When the pin is halfway, slide the left pad in. Make sure it's located in the top as shown. Tap the pin all the way with a punch. Install the R-clip and make sure it turns freely as shown. Move to the rear caliper. Remove the R-clip. Tap the pin out and grab the pads as before. As you can see, no grease applied from factory. Slide the remaining pad out. Give everything a good clean as before. Also applying the copper grease as shown. Slide the left pad in. You may need to push the caliper over to make room for the pad so it can locate. Push the pin all the way using a small punch from the left side. Install the R-clip and check it's turning freely. Pump the rear pedal and spin the wheel. Make sure nothing is catching, everything sounds and looks normal. Do the same for the front brake. Now we are going to apply a 12-month protection for winter salt. I'm using Muck-Off barrier spray. Spray some into the lid and apply using a small paintbrush. Cover all the metal parts, avoiding the discs, brakes and tyres. Avoid the fuel tank. Cover all the clips and hose fastenings. Cover the brake pipe unions. Cover the bars. Remove the seat and spray everything. Get underneath and spray all the nooks and crannies. Even under the swing arm, avoiding the tyre. On the engine parts, we are going to use this motorcycle protection spray. All items are listed in the description below. This is not a sponsored video, I just like these products because they work well. Lastly, clean your chain. I use WD-40 and a special cleaning brush. Wipe the excess off and apply lube. After 24 hours you can see everything has dried and it has left the bike shiny with a protecting coat that's non-sticky. It hasn't left any residue marks, even on the shiny bars. The spokes and wheels are also fully protected from corrosion. Here are the items I used: speed polish, HCB1 winter protection, motorcycle protectant, copper grease, chain lube, WD-40 for cleaning the chain, brake cleaner, small hammer and some small punches. Now we can use a motorcycle through the winter, not having to worry about salt corrosion. I tend not to wash my bike through the winter because it will rinse all this off and I will need to apply it again. I will then give it a good spring clean when the time comes. That's the end of the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it useful and I will make some more. Please subscribe so I can catch you on the next one. Until then, I've been Nick and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.